How to open AudioMass on mobile. First of all, open your mobile browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Next, in the browser's address bar, type the URL audiomass.co and hit enter. The website will load the AudioMass editor right on your mobile screen. Once the page loads, you will see a simple but powerful interface similar to the desktop version. You can record or edit audio directly from here. Tap the microphone icon to start recording and allow the browser to access your microphone. You can trim, cut, and apply basic effects using the mobile-friendly controls. Keep in mind that performance might vary depending on your phone's capabilities and browser speed, but AudioMass is designed to be lightweight and efficient. You can also find AudioMass in the Play Store. Just open the Play Store, go to the bottom right and tap the search icon. In the search bar, type AudioMass. You will see AudioMass Audio Editor DAW with a recorder icon by Codegres. Next, tap on it and then install. Once installed, open the app and you'll notice the same interface as the website version on a computer. From here, you can record, edit, and export your audio files with ease. To open an existing file, tap the file icon, choose Load from Computer, and then select the file from your phone storage. Finally, when you finish editing, you can export your file by tapping the export button and choosing the format you want, usually WAV or MP3. And that's it. Now you know how to open AudioMass on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.